In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the folder icon into the picture of your choice. So let's get started. So right here on the desktop, let me just quickly create a folder. Okay, now this is the folder. So how can we change this folder icon into a picture that we want? Make a right click on the folder and then select properties. Okay, and here you'll find the folder properties. Now click on the customize tab. So you have a lot of tabs in here. Now click on customize tab. You have here choose a file to show on this folder icon. Click on choose file. And then just quickly go to the path as to where you have saved the icon. Okay. Now let me go with this. Click on open. And then once done, you just need to simply click on apply and click on OK. And that's it. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.